Almost done. Don't eat it, okay? Not for Snoopy. Not for Snoopy. No, no. Okay, stay. No, no. Okay, don't eat the chicken. The chicken's for mommy. No, no, don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, here's the treat. Okay, don't touch. Stay there, okay? I'm gonna go right back. Don't eat the chicken. Stay there. Good boy, stay. As soon as I leave, Snoopy immediately goes to the spot where he can see me when I come back. I was waiting hidden in the other room for like 5 minutes. I had no idea he was just sitting on the side waiting for me. Knowing Snoopy, I was pretty certain he'd be chowing down, which made me super nervous because I didn't want him to choke on any bones. But when all I heard was complete silence, I decided to check in on him, only to be completely shocked at him being such a good boy. So I decided to let him start all over with Mr. Chicken a little longer to see if he could really wait.
5 minutes later. Minutes later.
Snoopy, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. I'm going to give you a little bit. I'm going to give you a little bit. Okay. Good boy. You did so good. You waited for mommy. You did so good. Yeah. You are such a good boy. You didn't even try it. Good boy. This is... Yeah. You are such a good boy. Such a good boy. We're just going to stay waiting there the whole time. Snoopy, you really surprised me. You're such a good boy. Mommy gives you so many treats. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Snoopy. Here's some chicken for being such a good boy.
Like and subscribe. Press the bell and it will notify you immediately. Goodbye, guys.